I'm going to make a quick tip today on engaging a belt. This is a Briggs & Stratton 5-horse that runs a Bearcat Chipper 50. Bearcat 50. So to preserve your belts, what I do is when I engage this, I just do it slowly to engage the drum lightly, and I do it at idle, not full throttle, and I'll drive the motor up while it's engaged and then back it down while it's engaged and release it. And that will help your belts without burning them up on the pulleys while they're going really fast, high RPM. So I'll show you how I do it, and should just take a second. Video, and I really hope that helps you save your belts when you're engaging your drive system in there. See you in the next video.